through these golden keys, we start to discover who and what we are. Well, first, we all know, let's start with something we all believe. We're living in a material body. Nobody doubts that. We're living in a material body. And we understand something about how the material body works. Although we don't create it, we don't do much to keep it sustained either. But we also have another body, a body of our emotions. Some people call it the astral body. In India, they call it the astral body. We call it the psychical body. And we have the noetical body, also called the mind body. So in other words, we have these other two bodies, a body of emotions and a body of thoughts. But when we say our emotional body, the psychical body, is composed of our emotions and motivations, we mean in terms of quality, not in terms of the form, because the form is the human form, the human idea. And likewise with the noetical body, we say it's composed of our thoughts and intentions, but only in quality, not in form. The form is the human form. So through the process of especially introspection and observation, you'll start to understand what that psychical body is composed of. And that psychical body is composed of all your feelings, your desires, your emotions. Those collect and form the quality of your psychical body. But the thing is, just like the material body, we're not our emotions. Likewise with the noetical body, the mental body. We have all these thoughts composing this body in quality, but we are not that body anyway. How do we know? We know because we can change the individual components of that body. In other words, we can change our emotions. We have some negative emotions. We don't want to be negative. We can get rid of that negative emotion and put in positive emotions and change it. So that proves that we're not that body because we can change it. In other words, our real self is not the mental body, the emotional body, or the material body, because all those change. You don't have the same emotions you had 20 years ago. You don't have the same thoughts. You don't have the same body you had 7 years ago because the cells replace. So who are we? What's real? Well, all these three bodies and all those things composing the three bodies change rapidly, really, very rapidly, which means we can say, what's real does not change, and what's changeable is not ultimately real.